Dancers, welcome to today's tutorial where we are going to learn to do front splits in 10 simple steps. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Let's begin by opening up our hips flexors, and what better than a butterfly position. Use your hands to help you press your knee down while your chest is really proud and in a right position. Make sure to hold this position at least for 30 seconds, and if you want to increase this stretching, you can go all the way down, bringing your chest toward your toes. Stretch your hand forward and relax your neck. And here you're also gonna hold it for another 30 seconds. Next, we are gonna stretch legs in front of us in a pike position. And we are going to bring our chest down towards the knee as closer as we can, and we are also make sure to hold this position at least for another 30 seconds. You can begin by dropping your elbows and forearms down, open chest, and slowly keep breathing and go down slowly. Next, we are going to lay back and we are going to bend one knee and bring it towards our chest. Next, we are going to stretch leg and use your hands to pull towards your chest. Pull in and make sure to change to the other leg. Knee, flex and press, stretch and pull. And now we are going to do a pigeon position. Stretch your leg on the back. This hip is going to drop down and ensure that your hips are square, facing forward. You're going to stay in this position again for another 30 seconds. And if you want to increase your stretching, we can drop elbows and forearms down. Relax your neck. And you can also bring your heel forward. Flex your toes, and again, press this hip down and hold it for another 30 seconds. Next, we are going to lunge position, where my knee and my heels are going to be again in a straight line. We are going to press this hip down, chest in an upright position, and we are going to hold it for 10 seconds. Here, open your knee to the outside, and that's going to increase hips stretching, okay? And you can hold it for 10 seconds. The next that we can do to increase stretching here is drop elbows again down and keep your hips square down, and this knee stays open to the outside. Now we are going to press hips back, stretch your front leg. Your toes are going to flex and point to the ceiling, and bring your torso as closer to your knee as possible. And hold this position for 30 seconds. Now dancers, make sure to do this stretching to both thighs, and then we are ready to do our splits. Now, I always like to begin my splits from a knitting position. I'm gonna extend one leg in front of me, hands on the floor, and I'm gonna slide my front leg slowly down. From this position, make sure that your hips are square. Use opposite hand to opposite legs to ensure that hips are square. You can go down and increase stretching. Torso as close to your knee as possible. We go up and we repeat with the other leg. Knitting position, leg straight in front of you, hands to the floor, and slide down. Slowly stretch forward. We recover up, and that's it. Okay, dancers, so that's it for today. I truly hope that you're going to do this routine as often as possible to get the best out of it. So thank you very much, and see you next time.